Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can see my screen. Since we are having a bit of network challenge here, someone should please let me know if I'm audible, if you can see my screen. I'm not sure if we are live yet. I'm not sure if we are live yet. Please drop in the chat if you can hear me, if I'm audible. I'm not sure if if I'm live yet. Let me know. Wow. Tiri, me atiku 8 o'clock we. Send the link atiku 8 o'clock. Oh no. No. Please let me know if you can hear me. Can someone drop in the chat? Let me know if I'm audible enough. Can you see my screen? Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if I'm. Who is this now? Hey, go and respond to this call. Wait. Please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. I think we are on now. I think we are on. Kindly confirm in the chat if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. The network is kind of trying to frustrate me. Alright, beautiful, beautiful. I can hear you and see your screen. Someone said there is no sound. Please, can you confirm again? Kindly confirm once more if you can hear me. I need someone else to confirm. I have seen one person that said I can hear you, I can see your screen. Someone else said there is no sound. Confirm once more if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Welcome to tonight's section. We are going to be fast. We are going to be fast. We are going to be fast. We're already 14 minutes gone. So can someone confirm right away if you can hear me, if I'm audible enough? Can someone confirm once more? Someone please confirm once more if you can hear me. I think the stuff is trying to play around the things I've been doing. So let someone confirm if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. I've been checking my back end, trying to see where is holding me from transmitting. So can we confirm please if I'm audible enough, if you can hear me, if you can see my screen? Let's confirm once again. I need to see us drop our chat. I need to see us drop our chat. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Very, very important before I proceed this night. Can someone confirm if you can hear me, if you can see my screen? Please confirm. Oh my God. All right, beautiful. Someone said I can hear now. Beautiful. All right. In our first section, we have explained what data analysis is. We have defined data analysis. In the section we had, once more, is a system is a process of systematically is collecting, organizing, interpreting, and presenting data. And what's the essence to present data is to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. That's the essence of data analysis. That's the essence of data analysis. Beautiful. Someone said, I can hear you and see your screen. Beautiful. All right, that is the essence of data analysis. And what are the things we do is to use it to put into action certain informations that we have gathered in order to support decision making, problem solving, and to do forecasting as regards to certain events. We have explained that in the first section. If you missed the first section that we had last week thereabout, you can check it out on the channel. All right, let's proceed. Let's move to the next aspect, which we are going to be looking at tonight, is types of data. I'm still trying to set up my stuff. Just give me some few seconds. Okay. Now we have types of data. Under types of data, the first we are going to be talking about is descriptive. And what do we mean by descriptive? Is a data that we can easily describe. It's just as simple as that. It's a data that we can easily describe. And what are the characteristics of stuffs you can describe? One is something you can easily see, something you can count, something you can touch, something you can experience. Data, it has to deal with data that are visible, visibility, data you can easily see, data you can count. So that is what we refer to as descriptive data. And when we talk about descriptive data, is from there we have what we call descriptive analysis. From descriptive data, we get to have what we call descriptive analysis. Hence, having talked about that, the next type of data analysis is what we call inferential. Inferential data analysis is an aspect of data that has to do with educated guess. It's something that you are making an estimation or you are making a hypothesis. You are basing your hypothesis based on experience, based on events, based on actions. Though you might not really see the action happen, like the force of gravity, you are not seeing it, but you can estimate, you can make some hypotheses, like what Isaac Newton did, having to it says having to see an apple fell and then begin to think or begin to assume and begin to state some facts that yes, there must be a fox acting downwards. That is an aspect of inferential analysis, which is an aspect with regard to the inferential statistics. Then after, apart from descriptive inferential, the third one is what we call predictive. Predictive is an aspect of data analysis where we use to make forecast. We forecast, we predict future occurrence. And in predictive analysis, it makes use of historic data. Without history, without past, there won't be present. So, and then without present, there won't be future. So in predictive analysis, we use in order to predict future or to forecast the future occurrence, and that is the predictive analysis. Then the other one is prescriptive. That is majorly what the medical sciences do. They prescribe, look at certain occurrence, look at certain happenings, and use that to prescribe solutions. You get some data, do some analysis, and then prescribe and say this is what we can prescribe that will bring solution, that will bring certain remedy for this particular challenge. And in data analysis world, these are the 4 major types of data analysis. When you are asked tomorrow what are the types of data analysis, these are the 4 key major types, or the 4 major types they call key types of data analysis: descriptive, inferential, predictive, and prescriptive. Now, having established that, let's quickly move forward to what we have tonight. I'm going to be running it by Saturday. We are starting practical immediately. We are starting practical in Excel, so everyone should be available. I'm going to be rushing this introduction this night. So objectives of data analysis. What are the objectives? Number 1 is to support decision making. Number 2 is to predict outcomes, like we talked about, validate hypotheses, to show that yes, what we said, our estimation, our hypothesis is valid. Then to measure performance, how well are we performing? To drive innovation. This is one of the core essence that makes data analysis highly needed in this present age. Because of innovation, it drives innovation, it supports innovation. Then enhance data quality. Enhance data quality, identify patterns and trends, know when sales goes up and when sales goes down, so that we can make some decisions. Improve customer understanding, that is also a key factor in data analysis. And then identify risk and opportunities. These are the key objectives as regards to data analysis. Now, having established that, the next is we move of data analysis. Importance of data analysis. What are the key importance of data analysis? Now, in data analysis, you need to understand that once we talk about importance of data analysis, there are 1 is the role it plays in decision making. The role it plays in decision making, and 1 is that in data analysis is very crucial. For you, a business person, a HR, an industrialist, a medical scientist, you need insight from data to support your decision, to support your actions as regards to your businesses, industries, and your department. So what are the key roles it plays? What are the key roles it plays? Number 1, informed decision, which is very, very valid. Informed decision, like we have said, you are not just making anyhow decision. You are not just making decision based on hearsay. You are making decision based on facts, based on data. That's why investors, we want to see, you want to pitch your business to investors. They want to see data, they want to see numbers, they want to see what supports this decision, what supports this number you are presenting to us. If you say that this business has the capacity to make profit of 100 million return in 1 month, or 100 million returns in annual returns, what numbers, what data supports that decision? So informed decision. Then risk management is an aspect of data. From what we have from the data before us, we cannot take this risk. That is an aspect of risk management. From data before us, this is a risk we can take. So it's risk management, strategic planning. These are the roles. Performance management. We need to know who is performing and who is not performing based on data. Customer insight. Who is our key customers? Who are the major customers? What is the demography of our customers? Which of our customers, which of the demography patronize us more, or which of the demography are our best customers? Then we can focus on servicing that demography effectively to have more customers from that demography. Customer insight, data is one of the, it plays a key role in having customer insight, then competitive advantage. Without numbers, you might not know where you have advantage and where you need to improve your competitive advantage. Those of us that study strategic management, this is one of the key essence of strategic management, to gain competitive advantage. And to do that, you need to understand data analysis and then evidence-based decisions. We have established that, and we have established that. Hence, overall, data analysis empowers decision makers with actionable insight. If you are part of the decision making, you need to understand data, you need to understand numbers, you need to understand analysis, which will lead to more strategic and effective, efficient outcome and decisions. So these are one of the importance of data analysis is its role in decision making. Now, establishing that, we move to the next aspect in the importance of data analysis. That's its application in various industries, because data analysis is vast. You cannot say, because I'm a data analyst, I'm limited to a certain industry. No, a data analyst is vast. He is one that is needed in various industries. Is it the health industry? Is it the telecommunication industry? Data analysts are ones that are highly needed, sought after across industries. That's why we say that data analysis is integral across various industries, offering tailored solutions, because no industry survives without data. No industry exists without data. Every industry thrives on data. Even the AI, the artificial intelligence we all are embracing today, there will not be AI, there won't be any AI that survives, that thrives without data. The blood, the heart of AI, artificial intelligence, is data. So data analysis is highly needed in every industry. So that's what we are trying to talk about here. Here are different sectors that leverages on data analysis. We have the healthcare sector, we have the finance sector, we have the retail, we have the manufacturing, education, transport and logistics, telecommunication, energy, entertainment and media, etc. There are other industries. Any industry leverages on data. Hence, in summary, data analysis drives improvement, efficiencies, and innovation. We cannot overestimate or we cannot overemphasize its ability to drive innovations, because every innovation is that has its foundation on data. And because no one can do without data, the same way that no one can do without data analysis. Because from there we get insight, get innovation ideas, and then see how best we improve on our work. So application in various industries is one of the core importance of data analysis. Okay, now having established that fact, we move forward to the aspect we have as regards to a benefits of effective data analysis. Because data analysis, it has its pros and cons.